while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. Today's video is a surprise for everybody. Today I brought you an anti-aging face mask that will make your skin 10 years younger. This is one of Japanese secrets for beauty. This secret is especially for looking younger and radiant even after 60 years. This natural mask removes the years of your face. You just need a simple ingredient that you always have in your kitchen. All you need 3 teaspoons of rice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a tablespoon of warm milk. Cook the rice until it softens. Rice has been used as a cosmetic healing agent for centuries, and it's quite common in Japanese beauty recipes. It's rich in B vitamins, which stimulate cell growth and repair. To keep the skin in perfect condition and to prevent premature skin aging, use this mask. This therapeutic facial mask will soon become your favorite, because after its application, your skin will become soft, light, velvety, and radiant. Keep the rice water for daily use and use it as a face lotion. Now I'm gonna show you how to repair your mask. Use 3 teaspoons of your rice, add a tablespoon of warm milk to the rice, stir until it's well combined and add a teaspoon of honey. Apply a generous amount of the mask on your face.
Our lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get?
Remember to clean your face well before the application. Carefully remove the mask after half an hour and rinse with rice water.
We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
Use the rice water as a face lotion. Keep it in the fridge for not more than 4 days. Use it twice a day in the morning and evening. Freeze it in ice molds and use it for facial massage or skin icing treatments. In addition to these useful properties, rice water is a great skin moisturizer, so you can keep the rice water for daily use. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Please, anyone try this mask, come back to my channel and let me know the result with you in a comment. And if you need any masks for face, hair and body scrub, leave your comment and I will reply to you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.